Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Nola Viva, and today I'm going to show you how I reverted my curls and styled my hair after straightening it. So I did go ahead and add some leave-in conditioner by the company Thank God It's Natural. Prior to this, I washed my hair with their shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, and I really love their products. I did go ahead and detangle my hair as well, and then I went ahead to part the front for some cute little, I don't know what you call these little things on the front, but I'm gonna twist this up and then go ahead and do the second part to it. What do you call these things? Whiskers? Can somebody comment down below? But I went ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail, and now I'm going to do the same thing with my puff. I'm going to go ahead and create some twists inside of that. Alright, so we're all done, and this is what it looks like after I've done a bunch of twists. And now I'm going to take the Thank God It's Natural edge control as well, and this is what I use to smooth down my hair and get it nice and, you know, curly looking and sleek and smooth. So I use it as well to sleek my edges. It's a serious thing. My face. But yeah, go ahead and do that, and then I take like a little, this is some material I bought from Joann's fabric. I like that it stretches, but I use this to tie down my hair so that the little whiskers are going to lay flat. So here's the part where I go ahead and get my hair dry because it's still damp. So I take a blow dryer and this little attachment thingy. I will have it linked below, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on my makeup while I let my hair dry. This is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Fever palette, my everyday palette. So I'm gonna use some, what is this, moisturizer? Yeah, this thing is annoying. It always falls off. But I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with these products because I like using the Fenty foundation, but it is very drying, so I have to literally use 3 different products to go ahead and moisturize my skin. I'm also using their Fenty concealer as well, and the setting powder to go ahead and set everywhere. And I use some bronzer here. Then I sprayed my face with setting spray, using some e.l.f. highlighter, the white gold highlighter on my nose as well. Oh, to mention too, on my eyes I have lashes, and then above it is some the Club Hopper lip liner as a liner, which I'm using on my lips right now. This is the Bite Beauty lipstick, and then I put on an e.l.f. lip gloss on top of that. Sorry, it's moving so fast, but I did just want to make this a quick little video for those people out there that like to get stuff done fast and just want to see it all done. So I'm using their serum as well that adds a very nice shine afterwards, so Thank God It's Natural. And I'm gonna go ahead and separate the curls a little bit more. Now if you want yours to look more defined, you do not have to do what I'm doing. I'm just really making it look even more messier. I don't know, I just like that messy curly look. So that's what I was going for. And then I'm using my pick to go ahead and poof it out even more. And then I'm going to go ahead and unravel my twist in the front here. And I didn't really like the look of 2 of them hanging, so what I did was just grab the other piece of it and then just go ahead and put it into the ponytail. And then I just went ahead and shaped it up. Alright, so that is my final look, guys. This is a super easy look that you could do. It took about an hour and a half of drying time, I would say. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and comment and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you later. Bye.